Okay, so this is the second example of the royalty payments, and it is over a new album that it was recorded. So it says Connor records a new album with his band. His record label pays a 15% royalty based on the total sales of the album. The album sells for $14.95, and the album sells 325,000 copies. How much did Connor collect in royalties from the album rounded to the nearest cent? So we need to know what the royalty percentage is. They gave that to us there. We need to know the cost of the item. In this case, it's an album for $14.95, and we need to know how many copies were sold, and it was 325,000. Now, just like we said on that last one, all we've got to do is multiply everything together in order to solve this. So you can either put 15 out of 100 in the calculator, or you can convert 15% ahead of time to 0.15. My parentheses are working again. And you are going to multiply that by the cost of the item, which was $14.95. And you are going to put in how many copies sold, which was 325,000. So I'm going to go ahead and work that out by typing that into Desmos. So I'm going to type in 0.15 times $14.95 times 325,000 items. And so if he's earning 15% of the total sales here, it looks like he gets $728,812. And 0.5, which I'm going to go ahead and write out, is 0.50. So the royalty payment on this, if I could spell, 728,812.5. Sorry, I have to say it out one more time. 728,812. And then 0.5, but this says rounded to the nearest cent if there's not a hundredth place where it's understood to be a zero, so I'm going to include it. Again, just like that first one, if you forgot and you only put 0.5, I am not going to take points off of you, off for that, okay, because it's still the same amount. But since we want to be accurate and to the nearest cent, we're going to go ahead and put that zero in the hundredth place. And that's it. Just multiply it all together.